Hey everyone, it's Von Mac. I'm here at 1844 La Paz Road in AltaDena, showcasing a stunning 1931 English Tudor revival home. This charming property features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and offer 1,641 square feet of living space on a 7,221 square foot lot. Join me for a tour. As we walk up the brick pathway, you notice the beautiful maintained landscaping and incredible curb appeal. Let's go inside and take a look. Inside, you'll find hardwood flooring throughout. The living room features high vaulted ceiling with beams and a charming brick fireplace. This dining room space is perfect for entertaining, offering a delightful view of the mountains. Natural light fills the home, enhancing the custom wood cabinets, butcher block countertops, and stainless steel appliances that seamlessly blend modern comfort with historical charm. The laundry room is conveniently located right off the kitchen. The 3 bedrooms provide ample space for relaxation. There's a pull-down ladder to access the spacious 1,000 square foot unfinished attic. This enchanting backyard is perfect for a gathering. Need more space? The detached 2-car garage has been converted into a bonus room with a loft, offering endless possibilities. There you have it. Make this your new home. For a private tour, please reach out to me at 626-360-9223. Thank you for watching.